Hey guys, it's about 7 o'clock and I am packing for my trip, which means that while I am packing a bathing suit, I also have to pack my chef jacket, all of them. I broke some nails yesterday at work, so I have to make them look like this while I'm on the road. Yeah. That's when you're seriously a DIY girl. You're doing your own full sets at home. Also have to pack my knife bag and fill it with good knives as well. Around an hour later than I had hoped, but you know, that's normal. I like to keep it down to one main bag, like a purse, a food bag, and then a backpack. And I've got my chef shoes and my laptop, and that's all I need. I thought that truck said crab. Crab D nasty. Where? On the side of this truck, but it says Crab Dynasty. I saw crab and nasty.
528 South. On Maryland 528 South for 3/4 of a mile.
We just entered our room. This is our kitchenette. I wish I had a little pan. Maybe they have pans. I'm gonna buy a pack of vegetables. It's a cute room. I just got a tour of the kitchen. They told me what they needed. This is the nicest thing in this room. This picture. I like that picture. We're gonna be looking at other people's. Okay, let me not put the camera. I know. All we need to do now is turn on the air, and it's 11:19. I'm gonna go start working at 2. Hey guys, it's so beautiful out here, but I'm about to start working. I told them 2 o'clock I'd be back. It's 1:59. I'm dressed in my chef gear, ready to go. So mom's gonna go to the market, look around, and I'm gonna get down.
We've got cops on the boardwalk on bikes. I hope they can smell whatever I'm smelling, because it doesn't smell legal. Hi there. So what goes on in here?
Right now it's just like a lunch.
Oh,
we
restaurant.
have the house music. There's no band rent. The
Oh,
first
okay.
band's at 5 o'clock.
Oh, okay.
You can go ahead and look now.
That's it?
Take a
Just
look
the
around.
restaurant? That's the whole thing?
Well, you'll see how it's laid out. It's not like a normal restaurant.
Thank you. So it's just a restaurant back here?
It's restaurant bar, so we have bars all over the place. And then
And I'm leaving. So I'm alone.
So this is the kitchen, you guys. I am all alone, pretty much, working on some wings and whatever other prep that they need. It's a nice kitchen, it has a lot of potential. So I'm just gonna be hanging out, doing my thing with my chicken wings, and hopefully I'll talk to you guys later. I'm gonna go clean now. I'm just getting like a little hour-and-a-half break. So we're gonna go to the candy store. Was that my phone? That's the prettiest picture ever. I have to take a picture. I'm gonna take a picture. Look, gummy bacon. Succulent and delicious. That's intense. These are adorable. This reminds me of like Harry Potter. Oh, and Lisa Frank. That's my whole childhood.
That is very cute. This guy just yelled at me from a truck, "Hey girl." I could probably be his grandmom. Okay. On the boardwalk, not bad. It's just so cloudy. but the little peaks of sun make it nice.
Right now we're going to dumpsters. I'm getting a Hawaiian Delight milkshake. Third day. I just finished my breakfast. Time to go start my day, no matter how sore I am. This has been marinating for like 30 minutes. It's gonna be so good. Jerk chicken, guys. Caribbean fried rice. Everything was a hit. I'm so happy.
It's the ocean. It's really nice today. Just kind of cloudy.
Hi. I'm talking to you guys from the walk-in because that's the only place nobody's gonna be judging me. Like, why is she talking to herself? You see the... We just did a wedding. Like, they are in there jamming to 90s music, like Biggie Smalls and Tupac and doing the butt, and I'm like so jealous. I just went out there, I cooked all their food for $90, and I just cut their wedding cake. Their cake looks pretty good. It's not couture, however, it looks okay, and it looks like it tastes pretty good. So success. So I'm excited to go home. Yesterday was a 14-hour shift. Like, I had to take a couple aspirin just to come in today. So after this, like, it's gonna be Sunday, tomorrow's my free day. I'm gonna try to hit the beach a little bit, and yeah, we'll see. Hashtag chef life. 3 containers full of food and cake, and a cake drum. For all of you baking cakenistas, you know how expensive cake drums are. So, going back to my room. There's like a bunch of drunk people. Out here. Oh, that was fast. Level 3, please. I'm gonna get in here and go to bed. Oh, I thought I saw somebody. Good night, guys. We're checking out. Here's my checkout outfit. Cute. It's so dark and dreary. I think you can't even see. Oh, he's in my way. Well, guys, we're home. Sweet home. We're home. Hey, Scooby. I'm gonna end this vlog. I'm gonna have something that I was longing for. Chocolate milk. Thank you guys so much for watching this. Let me know down below what you would like to see next. I will see you guys soon in the next video. Bye, guys.